Yeah, you're rusty. All right. Here is your 636S sitting on my 48 flathead. Testing and adjustment went really easy, real well. No leaks, no runs, no errors. Take a look down inside. You can see she's nice and dry. Everything went well. Okay, let's go ahead and fire it up. We'll look again. There's no dripping going on. Everything's looking really good there. Let's look at some numbers. Right now she's idled down to about those 640. Let me see if I can change that a little bit. There you go, 650. A little bit of carbon on the plug, but that's all right. We got 650. All right, fuel pressure running about 2.75. Vacuum is 23 and change. That's beautiful. And there's my dwell at 42. All right, we'll pull it through a couple times.